Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on top 5 AWS certification at Intellipaat. To become an AWS certified cloud expert, or if you want to advance your career in cloud domain, taking up AWS certification can be a game changer for your career. Intellipaat provides amazing AWS certifications to level up your skills with top instructors from IITs and 24/7 technical assistance. Now before we move on and learn more about it, I request you guys that do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So guys, let's start with what is AWS. So friends, AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, which is a widely used cloud computing platform provided by Amazon in 2006. AWS offers vast array of services including computing power, storage options, databases, machine learning, analytics, content delivery, and many more. It allows businesses and individuals to access a scalable and flexible infrastructure without a need to invest and maintain any physical hardware. AWS operates on a pay-as-you-go model, which enables users to pay only for the computing resources they consume. This makes it a cost-effective solution for startups, enterprises, and organizations of all sizes. The platform is designed to be highly reliable and secure with data centers located globally to ensure low latency and high performance services. AWS has played a pivotal role in the evolution of cloud computing, revolutionizing the way businesses deploy, scale, and manage their IT infrastructure. Its services cater to a wide range of industries, from e-commerce and healthcare to finance and government. AWS also provides a vast variety of tools and certifications to help individuals and teams build, deploy, and manage applications in the cloud effectively. In today's scenario, if I talk about, AWS has become the backbone of modern digital landscape, which empowers businesses to innovate, scale, and adapt to changing technology trends in a dynamic and competitive environment. Now, after having discussed what AWS is, let's move on and discuss the next topic. That is, why to take AWS certification. I hope so. Many of you would have come across the same question. So let us deep dive into this and try to find out why one should take the AWS certification. The first reason is industry recognition. AWS certifications are globally recognized and respected in the IT industry. Having a certification demonstrates your expertise and commitment to staying current with industry trend. Next reason can be your career advancement. If I talk about career advancement, AWS certifications can enhance your career prospects by making you more marketable to the employers. Many organizations look for certified professionals when hiring for roles related to cloud architecture, development, and administration. If you talk about skill validation, achieving AWS certification validates your cloud computing skills and knowledge. It's not just about passing an exam, it's also about proving that you have practical and hands-on experience with AWS services. Now, if you want to have a competitive edge over other candidates, then I will definitely recommend you to undertake the AWS certification, which is going to give you an additive advantage. It is going to demonstrate in your resume to the employers that you have skills and knowledge needed to work effectively with AWS, thus making you a valuable asset to their team. The next reason is that if you are looking for a higher pay, which is most attractive reason which I found out, then you should go for AWS certification. Certified professionals often get higher salaries than their non-certified candidates. After having discussed all this reason, I hope so guys, I would have convinced you to take the AWS certification. But on a note, I also want to add something, that certifications are just one part of professional development. They work best when combined with practical experience and genuine interest in the technology. Now let's move on and discuss which AWS certification should I start with. Suppose if you are someone who is very new to the tech, then you can start with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. It is going to validate your foundational knowledge of AWS Cloud and terminology. The outcome of this certification is that it will position you for entry-level cloud jobs and to earn additional certifications. Next, if you're someone who is working in related business roles such as sales or marketing, then you can start with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, which is also going to validate your foundational knowledge of AWS Cloud and terminology. And the outcome for this certification is that you will have a better communication and collaboration on cloud with stakeholders and customers. Next, if you are someone who has 1 or 2, 3 years of experience in IT background or STEM, then you can start with associate level AWS certification, which is going to align with your business role or interest. The outcome for this certification is that validation of AWS cloud knowledge and skill, confidence and credibility, which is required to build your cloud career in this domain. Now let us discuss the types of AWS certification. So guys, as you can see all over here, in the foundational, we have Cloud Practitioner certification. In the professional level, we have 2 certification, which is Solutions Architect and DevOps Engineer. In the associate level, we have the 4 certifications, which is Solution Architect, Developer, SysOps Administrator, and Data Engineer. In the specialty, we have 6 certifications for Advanced Networking, Data Analytics, Database, Machine Learning, Security, and SAP on AWS. Now let us discuss what are the top 5 certifications that one should go for. The first one that comes in my mind is AWS Certified Developer Associate. Now let us discuss what this certification is actually all about. So guys, as you know, that AWS Certified Developer Certification is designed for individuals who develop applications on the Amazon Web Services. It basically validates proficiency in designing, deploying, and maintaining applications on AWS, which emphasizes a developer's understanding of core AWS services and best practices for building secure and scalable applications. To earn the AWS Certified Developer Certification, candidates must pass the corresponding exam, which covers the key topics such as SDKs, identity and access management, AWS Lambda, AWS CloudFormation, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, and many more. The certification is available at the associate level, reflecting a foundational understanding of AWS development concepts. Achieving this certification is going to give you a credential which is going to demonstrate a developer's ability to leverage AWS services to build, test, and deploy applications effectively. It is particularly beneficial for professionals who are involved in creating cloud-native application, serverless architectures, and integrating AWS services into the existing projects. The certification not only enhances career prospects by showing practical AWS development skills, but also signifies a commitment to staying current with cloud computing trends and technology. If we talk about its level, you can see its level is associate. The cost of undertaking this certification is $150. Its validity is around 3 years. The duration for this exam is going to be 130 minutes, and the exam format is going to be MCQ plus case studies. Now let's move on to the next certification, that is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. The AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification is a recognized credential for individuals who design distributed systems and architectures on Amazon Web Services. This certification validates a professional expertise in selecting appropriate AWS services based on project requirement, such as designing scalable and cost-effective solutions, and add the understanding about architectural best practices. To earn this certification, candidates must pass an exam, including the topics covering AWS services, architectural best practices, security, and scalability. It is designed for those individuals with hands-on experience in designing distributed systems on AWS, and it is also suitable for solutions architect, developers, and anyone involved in designing cloud solutions. The AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification is a stepping stone towards a more advanced professional level certification. Achieving this certification demonstrates proficiency in creating robust and scalable architectures that align with business's goals. It is valuable for individuals seeking roles in solution architecture, cloud architecture, and system design. The certification not only validates technical skills, but also signifies the ability to design and implement resilient, high-performing, and secure applications on AWS. Now if we discuss about its level is also associate. The cost for undertaking this exam or this certification is $150. Its validity is around 3 years. The duration for this exam is 130 minutes, and the exam format is going to be MCQ plus case studies. Now let's move on and discuss the next thing. The next certification is AWS Solution Architect Professional. If I talk about AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Level Certification, it is kind of an advanced level certification for experienced professionals who design distributed systems and architectures on the Amazon Web Services platform. Building upon the associate level certification, its designation validates a deeper understanding of complex architectural concepts, advanced AWS services, and the best practices for designing scalable and secure solutions. To attain this certification, candidates must pass a rigorous exam that assesses their ability to design and implement AWS architectures at scale. Considering factors like performance, security, and cost optimization, professionals holding AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Certification are often involved in complex and enterprise level projects, providing architectural guidance throughout the entire development lifecycle. This certification is well suited for solution architects and enterprise architects and professionals responsible for leading and design and development of AWS based applications. It signifies expertise in designing fault tolerant, high performance, and cost effective architectures that meets the organizational requirements. Earning this certification is going to demonstrate advanced level of technical proficiency, but it is also going to highlight in your resume as a professional who has a capability to architect solutions that align with the business's objectives and industry best practices, thus making them valuable assets in the rapidly evolving world of cloud computing. Now guys, let us discuss about the next certification, that is AWS Solution Architect Professional Certification. The AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Certification, it is an advanced level certification for experienced professionals who design distributed systems and architectures on the Amazon Web Service platform. Building upon the associate level certification, this designation validates a deeper understanding of complex architectural concepts and advanced AWS services, and also best practices for designing scalable and secure solutions. To attain this certification, candidates must pass a rigorous exam that assesses their ability to design and implement AWS architectures at scale. Considering factors like performance, security, and cost optimization, professionals holding AWS Certified Solution Architect are often involved in complex and enterprise level projects, providing architectural guidance throughout the entire development lifecycle. This certification is well suited for solution architects, enterprise architects, and professionals responsible for leading design and deployment of AWS-based applications. It signifies expertise in designing fault-tolerant, high-performance, and cost-effective architectures that meets the organizational requirements. Earning the AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Certification not only demonstrates advanced technical proficiency, but also highlights a professional's capability to architect solutions that align with business objectives and industry best practices, thus making them valuable assets in a rapidly evolving world of cloud computing. Now, I hope so I have discussed about this certification. Now let's move on and understand about its level, cost, validity, duration, and exam format. So guys, you can see all over here, its level is of professional. The cost of undertaking this certification is around $300. Its validity is around 3 years. The duration for this exam is going to be 180 minutes and the exam format is going to be MCQ plus case studies. Now guys, let us discuss about the next certification, which is AWS Certified Security, and it's a specialty level certification. The AWS Certified Security Specialty Certification is a specialized credential for professionals with expertise in implementing security solutions on the Amazon Web Services. This certification validates advanced skill in designing and implementing secure and resilient applications on AWS, focusing specifically on security best practices and compliance in cloud environments. To earn this certification, candidates must pass a challenging exam that is going to cover a wide range of security topics, including identity and access management, encryption, incident response, and architectural best practices for securing AWS applications. It is designed for individuals who have strong background in AWS security features and services. The AWS Certified Security Specialty Certification is particularly relevant for security professionals, architects, and anyone responsible for implementing and maintaining security controls on AWS. It signifies a deep understanding of securing applications and data in the cloud, addressing unique challenges and considerations associated with the cloud security. This certification not only demonstrates the technical proficiency in AWS security, but also showcases a commitment to staying abreast of latest security trends and best practices in cloud computing. As security, it is a top priority in the cloud. Professionals holding this certification play a crucial role in ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of AWS hosted applications and data. If I talk about its level is specialty. The cost of undertaking this exam is $300. Its validity is around 3 years. The duration for this certification is around 180 minutes. The exam format includes MCQ plus case studies. Now let us discuss about our final certification, which is AWS Certified Big Data Specialty. The AWS Certified Big Data Specialty certification is designed for professionals who demonstrate advanced technical skills and expertise in designing and implementing big data solutions on the Amazon Web Services. This certification validates a candidate's ability to leverage various AWS services to process and analyze large data sets efficiently. To earn this certification, candidates must pass an exam that covers a broad range of big data concepts, including data collection, storage, processing, analysis, and visualization using AWS services such as Amazon EMR, Amazon Redshift, Amazon Kinesis, and many more. The exam also assesses skills in designing scalable and cost-effective big data solutions that meet specific business requirements. Professionals with AWS Certified Big Data Specialty certification are often involved in designing and implementing big data solutions for organizations, addressing challenges related to data volume, velocity, variety, and complexity. This certification is suitable for data engineers and data scientists and developers working with big data technologies on the AWS. Earning this certification is not only going to demonstrate on your resume that you have a high level of expertise in AWS big data services, but also signifies the ability to architect and implement robust and scalable solutions for processing and analyzing data at scale in cloud. If we talk about its level is specialty. The cost of undertaking this exam is around $300. Its validity is around 3 years. The duration for this exam is 170 minutes and its exam format is MCQ plus case study based. Now let us discuss about how to choose the best AWS certification. Suppose you are very beginner and you are entering from non-tech to the tech background. So you can undertake this certification, which is AWS Cloud Practitioner Foundational Certification, where you are going to learn about the basics of AWS, and after achieving this certification, you can also land up in an entry-level job. So the salary structure would be around 3 LPA to 7 LPA. Moving ahead, now the next certification is for those individuals who already have 1 to 3 years of work experience. Suppose you are working as a solutions architect or in a DevOps role, so you can take this certification, which is of associate level, or suppose you are a developer, then you can go for this associate level certification. So after practicing or having a knowledge of the basics of AWS, this is going to give you a little bit deeper in depth about your particular roles and technologies. Now, the next certification is for those candidates who have 1 to 3 years of work experience. Now you can undertake these two certifications, which is Solution Architect and Developers Associate Level Certification. I've already told you about these certifications. The salary you will be receiving after achieving this certification would be around in a bracket of 7 LPA to 11 LPA. And you will be at your mid-level of journey around 3 to 5 years of work experience. Now, suppose you achieve a professional level certification where you have more than 5 years of work experience. So you can take the same certification. After having completed Solution Architect Associate Level Certification, you can go for the professional level, and the same for a DevOps Engineer Professional Level Certification. And the salary structure for this level would be around 10 LPA to 18 LPA. And finally comes our Specialty Level Certification. If you undertake the Specialty Level Certification, it means that you have more than 8 years of work experience, and also you will be earning around 20 LPA to 40 LPA if you undertake any of these certification program, which is going to demonstrate in your resume that you have an expertise on this technology. Now let's move on and discuss about Intellipaat's AWS certification program. So guys, let's go to the Intellipaat's website and let us see what courses do we have. So guys, this is Intellipaat's website. Okay, so here you can explore the number of courses. Suppose I want courses in the cloud computing domain. So you can see we have a number of courses all over here. We have advanced certification in DevOps in cloud computing. Okay, if we start or click on this program, you could see this is an advanced certification in DevOps and cloud computing from IIT Madras faculty and industry expert. Okay, this is a campus immersion program. Okay, so you can enroll in this program, and its learning format is online. There will be live classes for 6 months. There is going to be campus immersion, which is a very amazing opportunity for you guys at IIM Pravartak. Then there are 400 plus hiring partners. Now let us see the next certification. Now guys, you can see the next certification, which is advanced certification in DevOps and cloud computing. This is also an advanced level certification, guys, where you will be mentored by IIT Madras faculty and industry expert. This is also an online bootcamp program whose duration is around 6 months, and this is also a campus immersion program. Okay, so you can look for this certification. This is also an amazing certification with a campus immersion opportunity. Now finally, we have the Executive Post-Graduation Certification Program in Cloud Computing, where you are going to learn from the faculties of IIT Roorkee, and this is also has an opportunity for the campus immersion. You are going to master the cloud computing concepts in this Executive Post-Graduation Program in Cloud Computing. This is going to be an intensive online boot camp with one-to-one mentorship by IIT faculty and industry experts. So you can enroll for this certification. This is also an amazing certification which we have collaborated with IBM and Microsoft solution partner. This is an online bootcamp program. Its duration is around 9 months. We also have a campus immersion at IIT Roorkee is an executive post-graduation certification. Okay, so you can see the EMI all over here. So you can also see the no cost EMI starts from 7,376. So you can enroll for this amazing opportunity because guys, you're going to have a campus immersion at IIT Roorkee. Now let us discuss about the features of these programs. Some of this program has 100% job guaranteed. You are going to get also one-on-one session with the industry experts and faculties from IITs. Then you are going to get 50 plus industry level projects, and also you are going to have your mock interview session which is going to prepare you well for your interviews. I hope so I would have made myself clear on the Intellipaat's AWS certification program. That was it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video on the top 5 AWS certification program at Intellipaat.
Just a quick info guys, Intellipaat offers an AWS certification course for solutions architect certified by NASSCOM, and it aligns with industry standards. Through this course, you can learn all the important concepts of AWS, and upon completion of the course, you will receive a NASSCOM certification. With this course, we have already helped thousands of professionals in successful career transition. You can check out their testimonials on our Achievers channel, whose link is given in the description below. Without a doubt, this course can set your career to new heights. So visit the course page link given below in the description and take a first step towards career growth in the field of AWS.